What qualifies as agricultural income and what are the tax exemptions available for agricultural income? Tax expert Mr. Gopal will explain this now.
Agricultural land, the moment it qualifies as an agricultural land, which is not in a specified area, then the capital gains on that agricultural land is also not taxable. The income also not taxable. But in the Mount Road in Chennai or in Bombay in MG Road, I have a land and I do agriculture and I get agricultural income in Mumbai. Can you say, no, in Mumbai you are doing agriculture, you pay tax for that? So therefore, if I am doing agriculture and the agricultural income, wherever it is tax-free. But if the agricultural land is situated in a specified area, that means beyond 8 kilometers from the municipality or cantonment or town limit, beyond that, then the capital gains on that will be exempted. But an agricultural land within the city limit, if I sell and capital gains is there, it is fully taxable.
Thanks for your detailed explanation. Are you in search of a personal guide who can remove the stress of handling your finances? Then please feel free to avail our expert consultation. And also you can attend our webinars to gain investment related insights. Both the consultation and webinar are absolutely free and you can find the link in the below description. Please like and share and do subscribe to Holistic Investment.